Hi, my name is Nancy Nadeau, and I'm the director of the BSN program, a clinical professor at UTRGV School of Nursing. Today, the ambience of the place, because of our speaker, was fantastic. She asked questions that was touching us to remind us who we are and the humanity in us. So I really like the fact that she was able to wake up the things we have inside, because we're so occupied in our job that it was nice to relax and to enjoy and to laugh. And so I appreciate her very much. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Claudia Dole Morrison. I am the college administrator for the School of Nursing and the School of Social Work. My biggest takeaway from this event is that I am learning new techniques about communication. What we learned today is great to know how to listen better to our students, to our faculty and staff. And I think that's a great tool for us to use.
Hello there, my name is Soren Vega. I'm a family nurse practitioner and a clinical assistant professor here at UTRGV. The best part about this session was the fact that she was able to use a lot of her personal experiences in her examples. So I thought that was pretty personal and nice of her.
Hello, my name is Dr. Andrea Rivera Burciaga. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. I'm also a nurse practitioner that specializes in hospice and palliative care. And I enjoyed the presentation today. I think my biggest takeaway was, as a nurse practitioner who deals with having difficult conversation in my clinical practice, I love how she tied a personal story, but also empowered the audience in being able to relate and how to turn something that's negative into something positive by your choice of words. So the biggest takeaway for me was to be able to see some examples and how that works in any area of your practice.
I'm Dr. Elizabeth Adamson. I'm a registered nurse and UTRGV faculty. And, the presentation today was really good. I think what I found best and what I found most engaging for Michelle was her storytelling. As a listener, I really connect with the stories, sharing about her dad, Popo, and that makes me listen and engage more, and it kind of makes me realize how I need to connect with others as well. So thank you for sharing. I really love that part.
Hi, my name is Margaret Ruby. I'm a clinical assistant professor of nursing at UTRGV here in Brownsville. My biggest takeaway today from Michelle's presentation was when she was mentioning about active listening and about the difference between listening and hearing. And so it kind of enhanced my abilities to actively listen better. But also, I used to teach English to Spanish-speaking adults. And I used to have to explain the difference between two verbs, which one was to hear and one was to listen. So I explained it to them that, like, you walk in your house and you hear the noise of the TV, you hear it, but then you stop and you listen to what they are saying. And that is how I explain the difference to them between hearing and listening. It was a great presentation. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you, Michelle.